We'll guide you through how to delete regular file in Dropbox. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Start from your laptop home screen. Locate the search bar on the screen, type Chrome, and click Open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website to begin the process. Log into your account using your email and password, then wait for the dashboard to load completely before continuing. Click Files on the sidebar to view your stored content, and browse your folders until you locate the file you want to delete. Make sure it is the correct file by checking its name, type, and location carefully. Hover your cursor over the file and click the checkbox beside it to select it. Confirm the file is selected by looking for the check mark in the highlighted row. Look at the top menu bar and click the Delete button to start removing the file. A confirmation pop-up appears, so read the confirmation message to understand what will happen. Click Delete again to confirm your decision and proceed. The file disappears from the list, and the file is now moved to Deleted Files for temporary storage. Click Deleted Files in the sidebar to open the trash area and find the deleted file in the list. Select it again if you want permanent removal so it cannot be restored later. Click Permanently Delete to start the final deletion process and confirm deletion when prompted. Wait for the removal process to complete and refresh the page if needed to update the display. Confirm the file no longer appears in the deleted file section and check the original folder again to ensure the file is gone. Log out if finished to secure your account. If you accidentally deleted the wrong item, you can restore it before permanent deletion by using the Restore option in the deleted file section. Always double-check file names and folders before deleting to avoid losing important data. Consider downloading a backup copy to your device or another cloud service before removing critical documents. Keeping your storage organized will make future file management faster and safer. You can repeat these steps anytime you need to clean your Dropbox storage and maintain available space for new uploads and shared files across synced devices and platforms.